I made it in 2005, and it's called My Sweet Auntie. My sweet auntie is my dad's older sister. My sweet auntie is the one that raised me up with all her love, all her kindness since I was 6 months old. Can you believe it? 6 months old. My sweet auntie is one of the special aunts on earth. She's the only one. She's the only one. That's the one. That's one of the things I like about her. My sweet auntie made me forget what I needed from mom, or my mom, or moms even exist in my world. My, my sweet auntie is my confidence, and without her having confidence, I wouldn't have confidence on myself. My sweet auntie is the left part of my body. Without her, I would not be complete. My sweet auntie is my life, and I love her with all my heart and all my soul. My sweet auntie is everything for me and for my life. So God, please don't take it away from me, because I'm nothing without her, and I will never be something without her. My sweet auntie is my best friend, and she's the only person that I could trust with all my life, because I already did. My sweet auntie is so proud of me. No matter how bad or how good I am, she's still so proud of me, and she loves me in the meantime. My sweet auntie always wanted me to be the best, and gave me the best knowledge to use. She gave me the best knowledge a person in Somalia or in Somaliland could ever have. My sweet auntie always been there for me, been there for me, but most of the people get shocked, but it is the truth. My sweet auntie is a special gift from God. Because if I didn't get her, I didn't get this gift, I would not be exist. Oh God, thank you. My sweet auntie owns my life, and I should be grateful to her. My sweet auntie is my lucky number, and because I got her. My sweet auntie made my dreams come true. My sweet auntie made me see this world in a better way, in a better knowledgement way. She made me see that it's world. My sweet auntie made me practical who does what she have to do, and cut the whole up, the whole crap. My sweet auntie, God bless her and please her.